Imagine exploring the world without leaving a trace, or even better, leaving it better than you found it. As we approach 2026, the way we travel must change. Are you ready to discover the definitive strategies for sustainable travel in 2025, ensuring your next adventure is not just memorable, but meaningful for the planet? Why sustainable travel isn't just a buzzword anymore, but a 2025 imperative for true adventurers. The evolving definition of responsible tourism in the mid-2020 ES, Beyond Carbon Footprints. Setting the stage, how this guide will empower your 2025 journeys for positive global impact. Identifying the new generation of eco-certified destinations and why they matter for your next trip. Beyond the brochure, uncovering genuine community-based tourism initiatives and how to spot them. The rise of the regenerative travel, actively contributing to a location's restoration and well-being. Next-gen low-impact transportation, from electric camper vans to flight-free international routes. Smart packing for minimal waste, 2025 essentials for the conscious traveler. Ethical engagement, how to support local economies and cultures without contributing to over-tourism. Leveraging AI-powered tools and apps for truly sustainable itinerary planning. The blockchain frontier, how verifiable impact tracking is changing responsible tourism. Emerging trends, from citizen science expeditions to virtual reality pre-travel experiences. Post-travel reflection, how to carry your sustainable habits into daily life, sharing your story, inspiring others to embrace responsible adventures in 2025. The power of collective action, joining global movements for a more sustainable travel future. Click the link in the description to book your perfect getaway and grab all your travel essentials to make your trip unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more travel guides, hidden gems, and tips to make your next adventure unforgettable.